Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned, loaded with features. Features also include parking assist system, leather seats, adaptive cruise control, ventilated seats. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2018 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, power moonroof, ventilated front seats, rain sensing wipers. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Come see us at Alderson Cadillac. We have a great selection, we have great people, we value our customers before, during, and after the sale. We're generations deep in luxury since 1949.